National Weather Service in Jackson has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Warren County in west central Mississippi, north central Rankin County in central Mississippi, south central Yazoo County in central Mississippi, northwestern Hinds County in central Mississippi, southwestern Madison County in central Mississippi, until 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 4:56 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Youngton, or 16 miles northwest of Clinton, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Brownsville around 5 p.m. Central Standard Time. Flora and Pocahontas around 5:05 p.m. Central Standard Time. Jackson and Annandale around 5:15 p.m. Central Standard Time. Madison, Kenton, and Gluckstadt around 5:20 p.m. Central Standard Time. Ridgeland around 5:25 p.m. Central Standard Time. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Standard Time for central and west central Mississippi.